There's definitely something in there. Hello and welcome back to Cardboard and Project Fox Repair. Today it's a simple one. We are basically removing the radiator. Now I've already started this job. To get access to some of the parts for the radiator, you need to remove the airbox and a couple of other ancillaries round and about it, but I've already done it, so it's quite straightforward stuff anyway. Don't need to see that. I've also already removed one of the hoses which goes from the top of the engine through the water pump and in there, and as you can see here, it's had a bodge job done to it at some point, so that will need to be replaced. Now, to get the radiator out of the car, it's, well, I say, extremely straightforward. A couple of clips that need to be removed at either side to remove some of the things from snagging. A few other hoses that needed to be undone and removed, and then there is only 2 bolts left holding on. This is going to be the quickest video in the entire series of videos. Fingers crossed. So let's get done with this, and where to start? Down here. 12mm sockets. This is all it is. Apparently it is just the 2, as far as I know. We'll find out in a minute. Just talk amongst yourselves, this will not take too long. To lose that in the engine. That already feels loose. Right, so take that out of there, and then this one. It'll be interesting to see just how much damage has actually been done to this. I've seen it from afar, but I say afar. I've seen it from afar. Yeah, I've been halfway down the street looking back at the car. What a dick I am. I've basically seen it sitting underneath the car, but it'll be nice to actually have it out of the car to have a look. Ooh, don't lose the bolts. Right. So there is 2 locating pins that hold it in place down the bottom, but I don't believe that they do. You just pull it out and that's it. So, oh, I forgot. Okay, I'd undone the hose at the bottom, but I haven't taken it off. I'll do that first. That could have been a disaster. Now I don't know how much coolant is actually left in here. It would be good if some poured out, so bucket at the ready. I've already removed the clip. There's definitely something in there. That's good news for us, because that basically means that the engine hadn't completely emptied by the time I got home, because like I said, there was still some leaking onto the ground when I got home, and the fact that there's quite an outpouring there, hopefully the engine wasn't seized. I don't think it was, because I checked the dipstick, so the dipstick was fine, thanks Phil for the tip. Basically the oil looks fine at the bottom of the engine, so should be fine. Right, back up top, let's get this out. Just before I pull this out, I'm going to take the cap off, just in case there's anything else in there, but I don't think there is, to be honest. Yeah, that's pretty empty. To be fair though, that's not a bad amount of coolant still in there, and it looks okay. I mean, you're supposed to have 5 litres in there, but you know, There's still quite a bit has fail underneath the car. Yeah, that looks good. Looks like good news to me. I'll take any win that I can get right now. Positive thoughts, positive thoughts. Right, let's get this out of here, and then I'm going for a shower. I think that's it. Do you know what the problem is? The condenser is catching on it. Pull it away even further. What is it fouling on? This damn AC system. I mean, it's not even connected. Normally it would be connected at the bottom, but it isn't. What it is connected to is the the wrong type at the bottom of the rad. We'll talk about that when I put the new one in. This episode we're just getting this bloody thing out of here. The fucking hell. If it's worth just... There we go. Right. Now it should come. There we go. Look at that. There's quite a lot of space in there now. Yeah, the Fox definitely bashed back. There's definitely a bit of damage there. I think the rad is meant to sit back a bit, but not that far back. Also, there is a bit of good news here. Well, I wouldn't call it good news, because look at the fucking state of that. We are going to get new anti-roll bars at some point on Scarlet. But currently it's not bent, so that's all that matters. Right. You want to see the rad? Just look at that. Oh, there you are. If I hold it flat, you can see it's totally caved in the middle. That's incredible force that's... I mean, in order for the Fox to get to the rad, it had to go through the bumper, the grille in front of that, the condenser, which is totally destroyed, and then it hits this. That's incredible damage. Like I said, it's a short, sharp one today. That's basically it for this video. On the next episode, we will be removing the AC system, and then we'll start, hopefully, rebuilding Scarlet. Until the next one, thanks for watching. As always, take care. Bye. Jeez, oh. The state of that.